With Shilajit, there's one thing that cannot be ignored. It's quality. The market is full of fake or contaminated Shilajit products. Some contain heavy metals, mold toxins, or don't contain real Shilajit at all. You might just get some contaminated rock powder. Quality matters more than dosage, so I highly recommend to not cut corners here. You want products that are third-party lab tested, free from contaminants, come from a reputable brand, and are naturally high in fulvic acid. Personally, I use pure Himalayan Shilajit. It's harvested at high altitude in the Himalayas. It has around 60% fulvic acid content, and it is lab tested for purity and contaminants. I've been taking it for a couple of years now. Not every single day. It's enough to take it a couple of times a week. I prefer the resin form, but they also offer liquid, tablets, as well as Himalayan or Altai Shilajit resin. I was curious and got myself several different Shilajit products from pure Himalayan Shilajit, and I wanted to see which one is actually best. So the easiest to take is definitely the Himalayan Shilajit tablets. The liquid is also quite easy to take. Just I noticed when making it, it can pour more or less than expected, and the dosage is 3 drops with this one. But it's easy to take it on a go or if you're traveling somewhere. And it will last you a very long time because it has very high servings. But the most traditional form of Shilajit that I really enjoy, which is not as easy to take, is the pure Himalayan Shilajit resin. It looks beautiful. You can mix a pea-sized amount with a glass of warm but not hot water. Some people take it with a bit of warm milk, or warm milk with honey. You can also take it under the tongue, but I have to warn you, it has this potent, earthy, smoked taste. So I prefer taking it with warm water. It's also a great way to test your Shilajit's purity. Poor quality products, full of contaminants, don't dissolve well. Mine dissolves really well in water and has that unique taste that fake products don't. Fake products taste more chemical. What's the best time to take Shilajit? Shilajit is generally best taken on an empty stomach. This allows for better absorption of its nutrients and active compounds, maximizing its benefits. Taking Shilajit first thing in the morning or between meals is often recommended. Since it can increase energy, it's best to take it earlier in the day rather than late in the evening. If you would like to try them out, I'll link both products in the description below. You can use my discount code GRETA. Fulvic acid and Shilajit don't force the body to do anything unnatural. They simply restore what's been missing. And when the body finally has the right tools, it knows exactly what to do. I do try to take natural supplements as much as possible. I do take some more synthetic supplements too, for biohacking purposes. But there's something really special about taking real natural substances like Shilajit that have been used for thousands of years. It's definitely one of my all-time favorite supplements. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments below if you've tried Shilajit or fulvic acid before, and what health benefits you noticed. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.